Hi Sanoba,
Hi Pramod.
you've been at it for this now for 750 kilometers, right? Or
Yes.
is it a bit longer?
A bit longer because I've come from Bombay, so I've been driving since
it
a
was.
week now.
I was shocked when I heard that you're going to drive all the way up from Bombay and then drive back to Kanyakumari. You have to be nuts about it. You have to. Kuch, what made you do it? I mean, I still can't get the hang of it. Why? Because for me, it's a formidable thing to drive up, down, and do something about it. Why?
So I love driving, and driving is my passion. And with a passion comes a cause. So the speed challenge, the India Speed Challenge, which we are driving from Amritsar to Kanyakumari, is something very close to my heart also because I've had family members who've had crazy accidents. And if this comes with my passion together, and if I can reach one person through this message, then I think it's a done deal.
Well, done deal is still far off destination.
We have quite a few days
So
to go. Yeah.
I'm still flipping on it. We've come 750 kilometers. We've had a practice day. We've been to Amritsar. It
Yes.
was a nice. I mean, the welcome is
Was
great.
Great, correct.
But do you think we've actually achieved anything on the ground? अभी कुछ हिंदी में क्या फर्क क्या पड़ा है? How have we? I mean, I'm still lost. I'm still struggling. How many people have I influenced? What have we done?
No, we have done quite a lot. So we've been doing live interviews with Ravindra ji and Ramashankar Pandey ji, and the message is going out there because there are quite a few comments which are coming on live TV which we're running that it's very inspiring, and ladies are coming forward and putting comments on our YouTube channel saying that it's very inspiring, it's a great cause which ladies are doing, and since it's a lot of endurance and for ladies to do such a long drive has endurance in it, so I think it is. We are putting the message out since we are on the ground. We don't know what's happening at the back end, but it is going out.
Yeah, even I mean, an acquaintance met me yesterday. He's from the office, and he was there for the inaugural. He said, "Why did you choose ladies?" So just is it the glamour factor or something? So I hit back and I said, "Look, if these girls can leave their home for 15
True,
days,
true.
leave behind family, work, the comfort of their home,
Yes,
basically."
yeah.
And get on the road for 15 days. It's inspiring to me. So when I heard about it and they said, let's bring in ladies to come in, I was like, really? They're going to come on a flight, look good and go back. But I'm shocked to see that people like you have made a choice and you said, I'm going to start 3 days before anyone.
True, true.
So it's not 15, it's 3 days before and a couple of days,
Couple of days
of
more.
preparation. So 22 days.
Yes,
That's a
yes.
lot to churn out for, someone who has a career, someone who has a family and hazar engagements to say this, that. And this is actually a good time to be on a vacation. The weather's nice and stuff, but you're out there. It's pretty impressive.
It is.
And I think the fact that you brought your mother
Yeah.
is truly inspirational for the entire team. I mean, my mother wouldn't go that long and she'd say I'm getting bored or something, but here she is,
Yeah.
and she's doing as much as we are. In fact, I saw her doing much more.
True.
So that's good. So, are your friends really noticing, or do they think Sanobar is on a vacation somewhere and enjoying herself near the hills and
Oh, no,
eating
no.
butter chicken in Punjab and stuff like that?
No, there are quite a few people. In fact, most of my friends and family and all, we've been getting constant votes and they're looking at all the updates and the live TV. Though I can't post much on social media is because we're constantly driving and
Yeah.
we've been given rules and regulations. But other than that, yes, everybody does know that I am doing this, and it is quite. Everybody's shocked that why would you do such a thing? So I said,
I know what they feel.
Yeah.
I'm absolutely
So I said,
with that.
this is technically like my stress buster, where I am taking a break from work. Though people may think I'm completely crazy, where the part of driving for so long is. But everybody has their own passion, and with a passion and a cause, as I said earlier as well. So I think it's an amalgamation of great stuff coming through, and if we can reach out the message through this campaign with 5 ladies driving through India, I think it'll be a superb
I
thing.
mean, every day I get up, I just keep getting more and more impressed with the energy that it's growing, actually
Yeah.
growing. What's your feel? Do you think we're going to drain out at some point?
I personally speaking, not really, because I have done longer drives than this and stuff like that. But I think it's a teamwork, as they say, the teamwork is the dream work. So yeah, so I think we will get through it. If somebody's slump, we'll push them up. If somebody's
So you take that responsibility of pushing them through.
I don't take any responsibility.
lovely.
We'll go through it.
Okay.